everybody, happy Monday. So on today's Make It Monday series, I'm going to show you how to make your own Poo-pourri spray. So if you can't guess from the name, yes, that is spray for your bathroom, specifically the toilet. So let's grab a couple supplies. You're going to need a 2-ounce glass spray bottle, your favorite essential oil blend for purifying the air. My choice today is lemon eucalyptus. You could do equal parts lemon and peppermint, lavender and peppermint, wild orange and cinnamon for, the fall time festive look. Just depends on what your scent preference is. You could also do On Guard, the protective blend. It smells amazing anyway. It's great for this. Okay, next you're going to want rubbing alcohol, and finally some distilled water. And if you have a funnel, that would make life a lot easier, trust me. Okay, so start with your glass bottle. Add 16 drops total of essential oil. So if you're doing half and half of some, obviously you would do 8 and 8, like if you were doing lavender and peppermint, for example. I'm just using one, so I'm going to put all 16 drops of this into my glass spray bottle. So you add those in first. Next, you're going to add a tablespoon of your rubbing alcohol. And then finally, you're going to top off with your distilled water. Distilled, filtered, just whatever you have at home. Fill pretty close to the top, and then put the lid on, and then just shake it up. And then, so this is something that you would spray on the toilet bowl water prior to use. All right, hope everybody has a great Monday. Thanks.